Don is really nervous about this.
Yeah.
Just like the pumpkin
I would
video.
be too, honestly.
No, I used to be the button guy on Microwave Monday. I didn't care then, but now things have changed.
Shall we go for round 2?
Round 2.
I may not be working here tomorrow, and I'm going to need both my hands to drive that cab.
Let's finish the helmet off.
Yeah.
All right. Are you guys ready? You're pretty close.
Yeah.
Hang on.
You want to turn the camera on up front?
Camera's on.
Here we go.
Ready?
Yes.
Hello.
How could it not blow up?
All kind of sparklers. They're all kind of, you give me some good wooden ones? That thing will be on the roof.
Look at that, though. That thing's done.
I don't know. If it still works, we'll use it next week. If it's flared up like that, it's done.
Is that it?
That's good. That's just the helmet.
Let's get that out here. Still hanging in there, huh?
God.
Still hanging in there, huh?
God.
Throw it up there by the bomb.
Look at that.
There you go.
That's tougher than Ray Lewis.
Yeah. Oh. Bomb number 1 and number 2. 2, that's as many first downs as the Ravens are going to get this weekend. That's it. Look at that.
That is all.
Well, hey, that didn't work out as well as we had planned,
It's
did it?
okay. It got the helmets melted. There's a hole in it, charred black. The Ravens are emasculated. They're going to lose. We're going to push on AFC Championship, and yeah.
$40 for nothing. We'll get them next time, though.
Okay, great. Thanks. All right, bye. Yeah, that was a bigger boom than we got last time.